We keep hearing the words momentum around football. Does it make a difference? And if so, you've got it anyway.
Well, it does. You're better off going into a game in form than not in form, because you've got a bit more confidence going throughout the team. And but if I'm honest, on the day, it's a cup final. It's going to be a very, very difficult game against a good Tranmere team. So we need to be at our best.
We can't just make this game like the make or break game. We've done it all season, and we know what's need to be done by the end of it. And as you say, if we treat it just like any other normal week, we'll go into the game as confident as we have every other game to get us into this position.
I had full faith that we'd be in this position, and hopefully on Saturday we are celebrating, because it's a long time before you play another game, and you don't want to be going into summer with the hangover of the defeat in the playoff final, because sometimes that can affect for next season. But we want to make sure that we're looking forward to League One football next year and not League Two.
I think we were probably underdogs going into the Mansfield game. We've dealt with pressure well all year, so I think from now we don't want to put any pressure on ourselves. We'll be looking to go out there pretty relaxed, enjoy ourselves at Wembley, and obviously get the result that we're looking for.
For the whole 2.5 years that I've been here, it's been one of the most emotional roller coasters I've ever had, from the brink of relegation and then 2 years later to say that you're in a playoff final would be unheard of. But like you say, with Newport you can never second guess anything, and we take everything in our stride, as we've shown with the cup runs last year and even this year.
Playing against teams like Man City, Leicester, Middlesbrough, where people didn't give you a chance, we're probably getting given more of a chance now. But at the same time, we will probably go in as underdogs because Tranmere finished above us in the league, but we won't fear anybody.
I say it's 12 unbeaten now. I think the stats are very good over the last 12 games, but we've done that through hard work, and it's paid off.
There's never a dull moment with Newport County. There's been some really, really tough times, and there's been some fantastic times. So we've had the full roller coaster, and now I want to add my bit to it of getting promoted.